this is our frame design. This is not cut back facially, so we're going to make the magic incisor 1/3 for translucency. There's 8 implants with all lingually position, and then we have to make the facials out as another option for Syton 7-star case. We just mirror from day 2 and day 5. I can cut it. So that one is the procedure. This is chrome cover. This is what it looks like. But unfortunately, his milling did not come out that area, so this is the reality. So I have to see the design, so I have to carving those areas to make the better contour. And also, first before I go, we all the time check the fitting. That's the most important things, just like snug fit. That's the most important things before I go anything. The other thing is really gingiva. This was a really good idea for Syton 7-star. 100% if I can use the zirconia will fail because this is tall, high base, and losing, and then falling apart is not going to work with the zirconia. So therefore, we make the Syton 7-star cases here. Alright, this is the first step. Now it's almost setting. So we check the plastic. We're going to put it in the cushion underneath. That one is really good. We check the occlusion contact. It's very smooth. A little bit V-shape in between the tools. The only thing, just a little bit in between the tools. I just need a little bit more open. That's it. His doctor gave us this really good mounting from his end, which is he verified model, which is excellent. He saved the money. It's a lot. And then lower teeth with a temporary printed, which is they did it. And then they gave us the CD. That's nice. And also, this is good putty matrix from the posing and the preparations, so they see the good vertical dimension. Now you saw the frame design, because number one reason, gingiva. So like I said, if I make the zirconia, this is really going to fail because too deep and all lingually position. So whenever a patient has a heavy bite, it's protrusion facially, occlusionally, and then we get it's more problem. So now we made a good proper base monolithic C1 proper the value. It's not clear, not dark, a certain translucency, but just micro crack. I'm sorry, it's micro layer. This is our frame design. This is not cut back facially, so we're going to make the magic inside 1/3 for translucency. Alright, so this one is excellent frame design with a chrome cover. After we steam it, just a little modify, and then finish them up soon. Cement it and check with the final articulation with the data. It's really good. And then this is the finals. Nice. It's good. Cementation is really good. Made this good soft guard here, right? So now patient can wear it. Right, so another great case. Thanks for watching.